Hi, it's Trey, Ware. Guess where we are today? I'm really excited to tell you about this place. You have probably heard me talk about Ryan Orsatti at Ryan Orsatti Law. Well, we finally made it to his law office today. I want you to meet Ryan, some very special folks here at Ryan Orsatti Law. First of all, Ryan Orsatti himself. Here he is. How you doing, Ryan?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing great. So it's good to get into the office here, learn a little bit about, and let the folks know a little bit about what you guys do here and what's so important and why people should choose Ryan Orsatti Law. What is the basis of your law practice here? You family law?
So we primarily practice in personal injury, but we're expanding now. We've got a new attorney that's joined us, so we're trying to get more and more people and help as many people as possible. We went to law school to help people, and I know a lot of times lawyers take advantage of that and don't actually end up helping their clients. We're trying to do things differently, and we're trying to help people.
Yeah, well, that's the Orsatti name. I mean, it started with a dental practice and your fine parents, and here we are in the law practice too. And it is all about helping people. You know what's cool, and I say this on the radio all the time about you, is that so many times you turn on the TV and you hear guys screaming at you, or they've got some name that they've come up, some little pet name for themselves they've come up with. You don't have any of that. This is just about helping folks.
We're just about helping people. We're just about doing the law.
Yeah.
We're about knowing the law. We're about practicing it. We're about giving you honest advice to real problems that people have.
What's your passion? What drives you? Why do you do this?
I like to get up. I like to know that when we get up in the morning, we help someone. We're not just running them through a mill, running them through doctors, running them through whatever, and just say, here you go, bye, I'll never see you again.
One of the things I say about you too is that in so many cases, attorneys just bag cases. They just take them in, and they sit on the credenza until the court date shows up and they finally realize, I got to do something about this. And somebody's case can sit literally for years with nothing being done on it. You don't do that. I mean, if somebody trusts you to handle their case, you get busy, you go to work on it.
We push a case as quickly as possible. Now, granted, in the law field, quickly as possible.
Sure, can take a while.
It's not like, Amazon Prime, you're not going to get it the next day.
But the point is, you're not letting something sit around.
Absolutely. We push it through. A lot of times we do everything we can do, and then defendant's got a deadline, and we've just got to wait. But as soon as we get it, we push the next stage through. We don't like to sit and wait on stuff.
Now, we have some really big news to talk about. We got a new attorney that has joined Orsatti Law here.
That's right.
So let's bring him in. Let's introduce him. Why don't you introduce him, and then he can tell us a little bit.
Hello. How are you, sir?
Very, very well. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's okay.
So, talk to us a little bit about your background. Where are you from?
I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
Well,
the great state of Texas.
We're done. He's already proven himself worthy.
Great. I love the Spurs.
Yeah, good. Okay, there's the other one. Good.
San Antonio, Texas, born and raised on the west side of San Antonio. Prior to joining the Ryan Orsatti Law Firm, I did Social Security cases, family law cases, some other civil litigation matters as well.
Yeah. Where'd you go to school?
Went to St. Mary's School of Law. I went to UTSA, my undergrad.
Oh, who cares about all that? Where'd you go to high school?
Memorial High School on the west side of San Antonio.
Dormant college. We don't know high school around here. No, that's good. So, St. Mary's School of Law.
Yes, sir.
Outstanding.
Yes, sir.
So, you have an area of specialization that really drives you, that you want to be a part of?
Family law is one of my passions. We also do immigration law here as well. It's another one of my passions as well. So, yeah, I mean, I love to help people.
When it comes to family law, what kind of cases are we talking about?
We're talking about divorce cases. We're talking about custody cases, child support disputes, adoptions, things of that nature with respect to family law.
And immigration? What kind of stuff?
Immigration, we're talking about people that want to get their green cards, like they say, some type of status here in the United States, the legal way, the right way, of course.
Yeah. And you go to a very well-known church in San Antonio, like Ryan's been a part of the Cornerstone family for his entire family for years and years. But you go to one on the west side that's been well known for many years.
Right. Victory Chapel on the west side of San Antonio. We help give voice to the voiceless, and that's always been my passion in law, giving a voice to the voiceless, being that voice for them.
Yeah. Well, this is a beautiful place, and both of these attorneys here can help you with whatever your situation is. And I say this so many times, I don't want to do this as overkill, but this is really important for you to know. It's all about compassion and caring here at Orsatti Law. This is not about trying to just get you in the door and let's get a case done and all of that. If they did, it would be about the screaming and here's only one number and all of that stuff, and they don't do that here. This is about taking care of people the Orsatti way. So why don't you call them, 525-1200, regardless of what your legal situation is. Might have been a car accident, might have been something on the job, might be a family matter. Whatever it is, they can handle it here with the expertise that you expect and you deserve. It's Orsatti Law, 525-1200.